ChestnutMtnTinman. It is Tuesday afternoon. At about 1:15. Can't see because the nav's on. Brought my wife something at my mother-in-law's. Now I'm headed to my buddy Russ's house in Lawrenceville. We're going to put the spotlights on my crash bars that he already has mounted on his. That's going to help me splice them into the Harley spotlights. Better known as the University Parkway. This connects Atlanta to the University of Georgia, Athens. One of the more dangerous roads to travel on, it seems like. A beautiful day. What's it got up to now? Been in the mid 60s when I got there. Still seems to be holding there. I wore my chaps and my bomber Harley Barma jacket over here because it was still like 60 degrees, just a little bit chilly in this mesh jacket. It was getting hot as I got here, so I felt it was time to take the chaps off. Not wear them, and I think I was right. But this is a totally different ride than you ever have been on with me. Never taken you this way. If we stayed on this, we would intercept I-85 southbound, and then in 50 miles, we would be in Atlanta. Be at Russ's in about 30 minutes. I guess they're going to add a lane in here. All easy pickings till you get to the point where it drops and you got to creek and stuff. This area through here, Bethlehem, Georgia. Good Lord, is this area exploded. Got restaurants and stuff all over here on the right. Got a huge mall with Target and all on the left. Nothing out of here. Where am I going? Had me turn here on 81, and I chose it because it gets me off the 4-lane. didn't want to do that. See if I can get them on the same page. They still aren't on the same boat. They're close, but not the same cigar. Ah. Whoa! What the heck that big piece of something was? Glad I missed it though. Had to do an emergency evasive maneuver. Push hard on the right handlebar. Any place out here is just beautiful. Look at that old home. Man. It reminds me of a home down on Jekyll Island that my buddy buried. His family, I think they took care of it and got to live in it. But it was humongous, like that old Civil War type house. The place was so cool. Big open spaces. Had a lot of fun out there with Barry. He was Brunswick PD's second police cadet, following in my shoes. Could have killed him one day. Standing in front of the police department when he pulled up in his pickup. He says, "Come here, look." And I should have known better. He goes, "Here, look at the bed of my truck. Look what I got." I go over there, looked in the bed of the truck, and there was 3 rattlesnakes coiled up, hissing, rattling. I was like, damn you. He used to go gas the snake holes, reach in and pull them out, throw them in his truck. I was like, you're crazy, dude. Because they're not harmful when you put them to sleep with gas fumes. I'm like, yeah, okay. My luck, the damn thing would have fell asleep with his mouth open, and I would have fanged myself. It'd be just my luck. I'd have a mouth breathing snake like me, how I sleep. I can't breathe through my nose hardly. I've needed my sinuses fixed for decades. My nose got hit with a baseball bat in the 3rd grade. And I have a deviated septum that I should have had fixed. I can take like a Q-tip and go up and pull over, and I can breathe so much better. I remember one of the guys from church, Mark Stubbs, had it done, and he was like, "Oh my God, I've got, what do you call it? Like flamethrower air coming through me." It was the same way. Why'd I wait so long? Oh, look at the barns out there. That's pretty cool. I can fly, if I had a place to get off, fly out there to them. Oh, you can hardly see them cows. The weeds are so high. For the alfalfa, I guess. Oh. Dang, road snake ripples bounce you to death. getting pretty close to the destination, I'll come back and show you the lights. So, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and give it a like, very important. Please comment. Please comment, that's very important. Even if it's just an emoji, get a couple thumbs up or something, you know, a smiley face, you know, something good. And if you can't watch the entire video, please, 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 please take the slider and pull it all the way to the right. If you want to watch it later, just remember what time you were at. But if you stop like 3 minutes in on a 12-minute video, the YouTube punishes creators the worst, the most for that. In my, can't remember what it's called now. I've got so much stuff going in my head with the navigation. Has really come up with y'all's help. I appreciate that. I really do. It's made a drastic improvement in my stats. And with YouTube, that's what matters. I mean, you want your channel to grow, it's got to get out there, and the only way for YouTube to push your video and put it in is have the good click rate. So y'all are doing great there. If you're not one of my subscribers and you just happen to surf in, then I would ask you to click my subscribe button if you like what you see, and join my family of subscribers and help my channel grow. I would really appreciate that. When you do that, a bell icon will appear. Click on that and YouTube will let you know when my new videos are up to be watched. And if I'm not one of your subscribers, I will click on you and help you grow too. Guaranteed, that's how it works, tit for tat. So, like, comment, slider to the right if you can't go the whole way when you're watching it, and just remember where you left. But always slider all the way to the right. And then if you're not one, click my subscribe button and hit the bell icon to become one of my subscribers. I really appreciate that, and I'll do the same for you. Well, thank you for coming along on this ride. It's just as new for you as it is for me, pretty much. I don't know if I've ever been over here. So, this is the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man saying, we'll see you tomorrow. Ride safe, but ride